How to send money using Western Union. Follow my instructions. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to send money using the Western Union app. It's quick and easy, just follow along. First, open the Western Union app on your phone and log in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, wait a few moments for the app to load completely. Now let's begin the process of sending money. Start by selecting the country you want to send money to, for example, Belgium. Then enter the amount you want to send in your local currency. The app will automatically convert this amount into the recipient's currency and show you the exchange rate. Next, choose how the receiver will get the money. In this example, we'll select cash pickup as the delivery method. Then choose how you want to pay. Let's go with pay in cash. This means you'll need to visit a nearby Western Union location to complete the payment. At this stage, the app will display a summary including the exchange rate, transfer fee, and final amount. Once you're ready, tap on Next. You'll see a warning that money cannot be refunded once picked up or deposited. After this, enter the recipient's details, first name, last name, and optionally a middle name and email. It's highly recommended to include their phone number. Choose the correct country code and enter the number carefully. After you've filled in all the required information, review everything on the confirmation screen. If everything looks good, tap Next to proceed. The app will prompt you to confirm the money transfer. That's it. You've now successfully sent money using Western Union. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching.